U Menteri Rangba Kajala u Konrad ke sangma haka arpau trik jeliu. U loong baka Meghalaya kalateya kabor jengki traishnong ban penyat yaki Externally Aided Project EAP haka ba haduk jan kendai persen ki consultant menta kidi kiriu Shampang balayo jinghikai na kani Kajala. Habakren Shakilat patai kabor haka bakut jongka seminar ba arsingi halor gapang leveraging externally aided projects in the Northeast. U Konrad ulai buram ya kajing pai kmat ke bakongsan ke sorkar pring. Ban penroy ki jing te bat ya ka yok kan jong kathan hai ki di kat art ligisnam. Ladai ngila yo i shisha ya kanu kanu ka jat jing be tingka bat ka jing penroy ke bashisha. Kani kadang syujiat tang hai ki ni kat art snam ki baladam. Daitat hadian ba Narendra Modi ula shimti kum Menteri Rang Bakdo jong negeri. Hakapor ka jinglong Menteri Rang Bakdo ke badang beteng keladon ka jing pai kemat kerpang ya kathan syate la mingi ke bampat jujia menuru ong u Konrad. Ula penyeso ya kan ka jing roy bat ka yok kat ke bakam he ban ya kari haki babun ki jela kathan syate la mingi bat halor ka jing tenru ban kentiu hakal yang ki jing tei ling baki skim kum ka SASCI bat ki EAP. Ka SASCI kalawan ringkat bat ki jing pen kela ki ba piha banle. Kum ta kam dei ba pishule bat ka sorkar pedeng ka syua ya ka pisa. Piha ban pen urlong ya ki kattu ka ni ki jing pen kela bat ki thong bat nang ta ka sorkar India kan sa aya phi ya ka pisa ula banram. Halor ki externally aided project Menteri Rangba ula penpawi kendon beperking joka perthei balabu de kitna trekam joka perthei bat halor ka jingdon kami ki riu Shampang ban pen trekam ki Pimla ban shuyo ya kapisa tang namar ba philapan piha ban pen shisha ba philong gi bakot bor ban yo ya kata kapisa bat kumta kadon shibun ka jingla bat ka kam ka badan kam ban le bat ngidon kami ki riu Shampang bakin wanrung bat pen phaya ka bat dei hang ta bagi kam jogi consultant kilong gi bakongsan ulaong nang ta ulak do sya ka jingkiu jong Meghalaya ha ka ba penroi ki sap ki phong jong ki traishnong ha ka ni ka kam da ka ba ong pin smokman shibun ban tit ba ki traishnong ki bala sha hi kai bat ki bala klalong ru ki riu Shampang ya ka ba ha ka ba sedang ila ha ban ra na shabar Henry menta hadu jan dai persen ki di ki briu na ka jela ki bala yo ya ka jingi kai pentben U Konrad ula ong baka ni ka jingkala ka pen iya ka jingkiu ha ka jingla jong ki tra trekam bat ka nyarap ya ka jela ban pen trekam kham hai ki project bat ban pen thik na ya ka jingyo kam yo jam jong ki traishnong ha ki ni ki project ki bala be tingka na shabar.
As you're aware that yesterday and today there was a workshop on externally aided projects and the overall aspect of building up an institutional system around it and capacity building for states to prepare them to absorb more, at the same time share the different kind of good practices that different states have. So this was the initiative of Honorable Finance Minister, and I'm thankful to her for having organized this and having selected Shillong to be the host city and Meghalaya to be the host state. It has only taken place in the last 12 years. It is only after the Honorable Prime Minister had taken charge as the Prime Minister of this country. During his period as Prime Minister, which is continuing, there was a special focus on the Northeast like never before. And that is the reason why we are seeing the kind of growth. If you look at the economic growth that's taking place in most of the Northeast, it is higher than the national average. And it's a result of the kind of focus that Honorable Prime Minister and his entire government is giving to the states in the Northeast. And if you look at it, this is the basic infrastructure investment required to be able to then take us to that level where then we can actually move forward. You also have to remember that all of these different aspects, I'll speak about both SASCI as well as EAPs. SASCI comes with reforms that you have to do. So it's not that you just do it and central government just gives the money. No, you have to achieve certain reforms and goals, and then government of India gives you that money. In externally aided projects, these are top institutions and organizations of the world that give money to different countries. They have standards that are at international level. You just cannot get the money just because you ask for it. You have to prove that you are worth receiving that money. And hence, there's a lot of capacity and work that's to be done, and that's what Madam was mentioning, that we need experts, we need expertise to come in and improve it. And that's where works of consultants are coming in. I'm really happy to know that the local people who have now started being trained and are becoming the experts who in the beginning we had brought or we had to bring from outside, almost 90% today are people from our own state. They have been trained, the capacity has been built, and now most of the people who are working in these externally aided projects, except maybe few key positions, the general mass and the overall numbers are very much our local people who have now been trained and they've been brought in.